Hi, this is Classic Techart. Welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, a super pretty logo design. This is super easy and very soft global pretty logo design. So no matter talk, let's begin today. So what I need to do, I need to firstly select all the things. More and keep to the corner side, as you can see. It's my regular doing. So what I'm going to do, I need to first go to the dashboard. See so many tools over there, but I needed the ellipse tool. So if by keeping pressing over the, then you can learn something here. You see, here are also 6 or 7 tools over there, but I need the ellipse tool. Click over here, and I need by pressing Shift key and Alt key together, and it just indicating the center. I'm keeping here center. See, center. So what I'm ready to do, I just select all the things and go to the over the direct selection, over there, and I delete this left side. So let's have got it is magic, and the next we're ready to do, setting it is the middle side, and go to the where it just go to the over where is it effect, go to the 3D and go revolve. See, run it to do, I just go to the preview and go to the map earth, and I think invisible geometric, and go to the rectangle, this data. Yeah, see, and go to this how to fit over here, and it just go to OK, and I now just drag to the position over here. That I think, okay, try there. I think it's okay. So not that. So uh, I think it's okay. So I'm keeping over there and keep to the that same to same like that. Trying it over here. Okay, I think that's okay. So now to change the color. Now go to the object and expand all the things. Go again and expand. Already done. Go to the double there. Ungroup all things and release mask. See, right now I needed to which one? Click on and it's okay. So I need to also delete it. One and delete one. So I think it's fine to delete. And it's okay. Okay, so I need to select this one and go to the change the color over here. Then select that. See, and go over here like that, and I needed to change the color. Okay, see, no change between that one. So I think we need to compare that. So I think I need to delete one, and I just suggest keep on it looking better. But job is the same, no difference between that one. So these are all the super festival global 3D logo designs, and I'm gonna tag I get it finished over here. Thanks for watching.